I have a way to keep these chips that you just opened up fresh and tasty. You're not gonna eat the whole bag.
It's time for an epic food hack
with Daddy.
You're gonna use them again for when you make Lazy Man's nachos later. So what I'm gonna do? Gallon freezer bag of chips. There's lots of bears. Once you've eaten enough chips, you should have plenty of room. Put it back in. Seal it up. Press out excess air. And there you go. Another epic food hack. Keep your chips nice and fresh for longer. Keep them in a Ziploc bag.